Hello my wonderful, amazing, beautiful fellow creative. Welcome back to my channel, and if this is your first time coming across my channel is where I break down graphic design tutorial into a simpler and more understandable way. Now without further ado, let's dive into this tutorial fully. So we are going to be designing this birthday design I made in Photoshop. So first go to file, go to new, and this was the size I used. 26 pixel by 312 pixel. Click on create, make sure artboard is selected, it's already selected, and I'll bring in my reference design, drag it here, click on enter, just go to click on the artboard, click on solid color and just pick this color. Let me pick a color from here, this color, yeah. Click on OK. Let me reveal the color code. This is the color code. Click on OK. Next I wanted to see next of all. Bring it. This is the model I used. Bring in the three models. This last one I will bring it here and shift it to the side. This one I'll bring it here. I'll Control T and flip it so it looks like this. And I'll bring it here. And the last one, which is this, I will also Control T, and I want to be looking this other side. I'll flip horizontal, but I'm looking here. I'll shift this one, shift it here. This one, I'll shift it here. It will have something like this, and this one I'll shift it here. I want to create space, so I'll also shift this. With this and something like this is okay. Then I'll go and bring in the background, and this was the background I used. You might be surprised, this was the background I used to get this. So to go about it, go to your filter. I want to create this, divide the background, go to filter, blur, Gaussian blur, add a bit of Gaussian blur to it. Blur, Gaussian blur, 4.2 is okay for this. Then go to your filter again, go to liquify, wait for it to load, and follow the setting, brush 120 density, follow the setting. Then the first part I will draw it up, and this part I'll draw it here. I'll increase my brush size with my bracket key. Easy to increase your brush. I'll brush this part here, so I can have something like this, and I'll brush this down part here. I'll shift this and shift this. I want the light to cover most places. So click on OK and wait for it to load. So you can see you have something like this. Where creativity meets royal. Or let's go for something more. Let me click on liquify again. I think I will increase the size of this again. Increase the size of this and bring this blue one. Let me decrease the size with the brush. Let me bring this blue one down a little bit, because I'm going to be writing something there. King is born. So click on OK and wait for it to load. Yeah, I have something like this now. Then I'll take this one to the back, so that this will be in the front, something like this. I'm sorry, leave it in the front. I thought I took it to the back. So what I'll do next, I'll bring in this or this, and go to select subjects and wait for it to load. Mask it out, convert it to a smart object. Click on Ctrl U. Hue and saturation panel will open, and I'll do it until I see sky blue is okay. Then I'll change the blending option to screen and go to my filter gallery. Go to blur and motion blur, add a little blur to it. Yeah, remove the hue and saturation. I think this is okay. I'll take it down like I have something like this. I take it below the, that is this shiny thing that is here. That's what I'm creating. Remember, to the hue and saturation I actually added was not necessary. So it's like this. You can see it's actually kind of glowing now. And so that was how I actually got the glowing effect there. And the one I did here, let me first of all, I will go to my shape, click on new layer, go to shape, and just drag and remove, give it a color, Ctrl T, and rotate it. Put it somewhere here, and I'll bring in, convert it to a smart object. That is important because I want to add in a white shade. Click on new layer, and I will make this part white because I'm using a brush, not pure white actually. And bring my brush, hold my alt key and mask it and click it. Make sure this shape you created, you change it to convert it to a smart object, so that when you're working with your brush, it will be, you can see it's actually showing I'm painting on it. That was how I created this for that part, and I'll change it to screen. So that was how I was able to get this. And now go to your adjustment layer, go to color balance, and increase the color balance. Increase it. That was the only adjustment I made. I increased it from here and a little bit highlight. Increase it a little bit. This one is actually okay. Then the model, this I go to my filter. You can see the way it's sharpened. The way it's actually kind of very sharpened. Observe now. Yeah, it's actually not sharpened. So how I did it, it was actually simple. Go to my filter, go to my camera filter, and wait for it to load. I just went to my texture, increase this texture drastically, increase it, increase the haze, increase the sharpening, the clarity, and also I went to the details and increase the sharpening a little bit, and click on OK. Just wait for it to load. And boom, you have something like this. Before, after. I can see the way it's sharpened now. It's more detailed. So in second model, I would still go to my filter. I would have copied the same setting, but it would be too sharp because this picture are small, they are scaled small. So if I use the same size I use here, the same value I use for the sharpening, it will be too much for this. So that's why I want to use, I cannot use the same 70 something for this one because it's actually not fully pixelated. I don't know if you grab, you click on filter, camera raw filter. I'll still use the same setting, but this time it will not be that much. So go to texture, increase the texture, increase the haze, and details, increase it a little bit. Click on OK, wait for it to load. This is actually okay. I don't want this to be that sharpened, and I'll leave the last one like this because if I sharpen it, you can see the way the picture is. If I sharpen it, it will affect the face. I'll leave the second one like that. Then increase the texture of that one. Okay, you're good here. Now or go to click on new, click on new layer. Let me just group this model. I think I should wait because I'm actually not added the lights. So just click on this. When you create a new layer, press G on your keyboard, G, and pick this color here. Then hold your shift. Also make sure when you click on this G, make sure here is set to the same color. You will not be having multiple mismatch of color. So hold your shift and drag. But it is actually too much and it's too light, so I want a more darker blue. I would have make it to be dark, but I want to be that dark, so I'll just go for something like this. Okay. Then I'll also change this. Double click on it and give it the same color. Hold your my shift and drag. Hold my shift and drag. So yeah, that's how I got it. So now let's start bringing the right up. King is born. Control C and just put this V. King is born, and this is my logo, but it's actually not important for me to put it as I'm redesigning it. What I use was clash display. Scale it down or increase the line spaces or something like this. The king is born. Let me go and adjust this a little bit. I think the space is too much, so go to your liquify, double click on it. As one thing, you can always adjust it. Just wait for it to load. And I think I will take it up a little bit. And okay. It's great, but not as sharp as I want. Well, when you're doing yours, you settle down and do it, so just be perfect. But you can see the sharp edges here. It is actually rough, but if you notice the second one I did, there was no sharp edges because I was calm while doing this. But now I'm rushing the video. I don't want it to be that lengthy. What I did, I increased this star. I increased the star. Next thing, let me bring in the right up. Happy birthday. Put my alt and drag in this king is born. Right, happy birthday. Wise one on the move, turning visions into truth. From a sketch to a story, from an idea to the glory. Control A and centralize it. B. Increase the line spacing. This increase it. Control A and you centralize it. Control D. And write his name. Highlight photography. Where creativity meets royalty. And then reduce the line spacing and creating dreams. Centralize it. Yeah, happy birthday. Take it to the front. Where creativity meets royalty. I'll make here semi-bold. I'll make both of them semi-bold. Increase the line spacing a little bit. Put it up. And scale it. I like both photography. Because it's a photographer, I wanted to make the design represent what it's doing. I wanted to add something like camera, but I don't really want to add camera. I wanted to add something that would like speak in the design. So that was why I came up with this. Click on new, click on shape, and draw your shape. Give it white, increase the stroke a little bit. Score is okay. Then mask it out with your brush. Mask. I just want just the ND to be showing, to be visible. So Control A and I centralize it. Control D. Let me move this happy birthday up.
Wise one on the moon, turning visions into truth. From a sketch to a story, from an idea to the glory.
In this shape, I take it left and let me bring in the last text, which is this. Control C. This is actually cameraman. We understand this. Photographer, we understand this. This right up. Control T and I scale it.
Where creativity meets royalty.
Give it regular. Control A and also centralize it again. Control D to deselect.
Inspired greatness.
We're almost done, guys. Now let's go and create this. Go to new shape and go to your Eclipse tool. Hold your shift and just drag. Go to your stroke and go to gradient. Go to basic and you find in the basic you find something like this. Double click on this part, make it white. Double click on this other part, is already white, and click on it. Make the location here 50 and make the location 50 and make the opacity 0. That's how you can actually save it. Click on OK. What I did, I made this part. Okay, let me. The goal is to make the center part transparent. Let one side will have color, one other side, but the center will be transparent. That's how you create something. When you create it, you have, let me increase the, so you see what I'm doing. You have something like this. You can actually play with it, you can move it and see the way it is. So I will reduce the stroke to 5. It's okay. It's too small. Just make it 7. So just write the dates and this is the date. Just drag it and we are almost done for today, guys. So I'll just add a little bit of lighting to this place. Go to new where is the model? Go to this model. Go to levels. Raise the levels a little bit.
Where creativity meets royalty.
Click on this part to clip it, and Control I to invert it. Make sure your foreground is white. We are working with a black mask, so just brush. Let me also brush in this. Use it. Oh, it will not show because I only clipped it to 1. Just click on this and see what's happening. I'm actually making one part. And go to on saturation. You can colorize, and it's for me to find the color. Let me find the right color. I think I passed it. Yeah. And make sure it is in screen and double click, hold your alt, and in this underline layer hold your alt and drag. Also here hold your alt and you have something like this, and Control, just mask it out. No need for Control. Increase your stroke, make here black, and mask the part you don't want the effect to be on. So that was, I added this shiny effect to it, and I did the same for both of them. But I don't want this video to be over lengthy, and We can call it a day, guys, and thank you for
every tree.
watching. I hope you have learned something from this video, and if you have do, please do well to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, guys. Catch you in the next one.
Every
Peace.